Hi friends, welcome to Venki's channel. In the previous video, we have learned about non-breakable spaces and the BR tag. Today we are going to learn about paragraph tag and heading tags. So first, let's open Sublime Text and let's remove this Venki's channel. First, let's open this in browser. And now let's go back to Sublime Text. Here, first let's learn about the P tag. P tag is the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is called P in HTML. So let me type lesser than P and then let me click on the tab key. The closing tag automatically appears due to IntelliSense. And now let's get into the P tag. Here you don't need to manually do the indentation too. As soon as you go between both the P tags, indentation is automatically taken. So here let me type something. I have typed the lorem ipsum paragraph, and now let me copy this and paste it again. Now you can see that there are two paragraphs here. So let me save the changes and then refresh the browser. Let's remove the left padding and the top padding. And now let's refresh the browser. Now you can see that whenever the paragraph is changed, automatically double enter is taken. Here we have not given any BRs between the two paragraphs, but due to a paragraph change, the browser understood that we have to take a double enter. So the browser automatically took a double enter here. Now let's learn about heading tags. So before the paragraph tags, let's keep the heading tags. There are 6 levels of headings, which are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Among them, H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. Heading tags make the text font bigger and bolder. So first let's keep H1, and then in the heading let me give paragraph and heading tags. Now let me save my changes and then refresh the browser. Now you can see that paragraph and heading tags is a bit bigger and bolder compared to the rest of the text. So now let me give a H2 tag here. H2 means the font becomes a little bit smaller. First we learned about the paragraph tag. So let me give H2 as paragraph tag. Now let me save my changes and then refresh the browser. You can see that paragraph tag is a bit bolder and bigger, but it is bit smaller and lesser bold than the H1 tag. Similarly, the boldness and the font size decreases with the increasing of the H number. So H3 will be a bit more smaller. You can try all of this by yourself. And now let's learn attributes for these tags. Heading tags have only one attribute. There are many attributes, but as usual, we are going to learn only one attribute which is important. That attribute is called as align. So beside H1, let me write align. Align equal to, we have 3 options here. One is left, one is center and one is right. By default, the alignment is left. You all know what align is. So let me keep the align as center and then refresh the browser. Now you can see that H1 is in the center of the browser. Similarly, let me change it to right. Now let me save my changes and then refresh the browser. As soon as I refresh the browser, paragraph and heading tags is aligned to the right of the browser, which means it is to the rightmost of the browser. Now let's learn attributes for the P tag. P tag also has the same attribute as heading tag, which is align. Align equal to center, and then this will become center like this, as you can see. Friends, in the next video we will learn about text formatting in HTML. Bye friends.